essay. Role of children in saving the futures of our country. Children are the futures of a nation. The progress and success of any country depend on the ways its children grow, learn, and act. Just like seeds grow into strong trees, children grow up to become the leaders, doctors, teachers, scientists, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. First, education plays a very important role. When children study hard and gain knowledge, they become wise and capable. They learn values like honesty, kindness, and respect, which help them become good human beings. Second, children should also learn to love their countries by understanding their duties like helping the surrounding clean, following rules, and helping others. They help make their country better. Even small acts like saving water, planting trees, and helping friends show that they care. Third, children must dream big. Great people like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Mahatma Gandhi were also children once. They work hard, follow good values, and become heroes who change their country. In conclusion, children have a very important role in saving the futures of India. If they grow up with good habits, education, and love for our country, then our nation will become stronger, happier, and more successful. Let us all be the bright stars who light up the futures of our beloved India. Thank you.